I will show you step by step how to run DeepSeek R1 locally using LM Studio. To get started, go to the LM Studio website that you see here. Since I'm on a Mac, I would download LM Studio for the Mac by clicking the button here. Once you have it downloaded, open LM Studio, and this is what it should look like. Click the Discover icon here. On this screen, you can see all the different models that you can install. In the search bar, we can just type in R1, look for the one that says Llama 8B, and click on that option. Click the drop down here, and we can see the different versions of DeepSeek R1. Depending on the hardware you have, you would see this green icon letting you know you can run the model. For this specific example, I would just run this version by clicking it here, then click download. Once the download is complete, you can click the button in the bottom right here to use it in a new chat. In this window, we can see the model being used, and in this case, it's the DeepSeek R1 model. Here, we can type in whatever message we want. For example, I will ask DeepSeek R1 to write me some Python code that will calculate the sum of two numbers. This was the final answer that was generated. Scrolling up, we can actually expand this section here to see the thought process that R1 used to create this answer. That is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.